Hello everyone, good morning. Today I will be discussing how blockchain technology is poised to revolutionize test data integrity and compliance management across regulated industries like healthcare, finance, and pharmaceuticals. Let's get into that one. In 2023, global spending on regulatory compliance reached a strategic $8.7 billion. Additionally, the average cost per data breach incident is $4.35 million. Since 2020, there has been a 56% increase in data integrity requirements. Organizations is regulated industries face increasingly complex compliance landscapes. The financial burden is substantial, with compliance costs continuing to rise annually. Beyond direct costs, the reputational damage from compliance failures can be devastating. Meeting the requirements of regulations like HIPAA, Sarbanes-Oxley, and FDA 21 CFR Part 11 demands sophisticated approaches to data management that traditional systems struggle to provide efficiently. So, core features of blockchain's core features are immutability, decentralization, and smart contracts. These can significantly enhance data security and operational efficiency in these high stakes environments. Immutability ensures that once data is recorded, it cannot be altered or deleted. Providing a reliable audit trail, decentralization reduces the risk of single points of failure and enhances data security and distributing data across multiple nodes. Smart contracts automate compliance processes, ensuring that regulatory requirements are met without manual intervention. So, how blockchain technology will work in the healthcare industry? Organizations face unprecedented data management challenges with patient data doubling approximately every 73 days. The industry processes over 5.2 petabytes of sensitive information daily, all of which must comply with HIPAA and other regulatory frameworks. Blockchain's implementation in healthcare have demonstrated a 99.97% success rate in maintaining data integrity and have reduced unauthorized access attempts by 96.1%. These improvements directly translate to better patient outcomes, reduced compliance costs, and minimized risk of regulatory penalties. Blockchain technology is proving to be essential in managing the explosive growth of healthcare data while ensuring compliance and enhancing patient care. So let us discuss now how blockchain technology is helping the finance industry. Traditional compliance methods involve manual audits, which are high cost and time intensive. However, with blockchain implementation, we can leverage smart contracts and distributed ledgers to streamline this process. Organizations in financial sector has been early adopters of blockchain for compliance management, and the results have been impressive. They have reported a 72.8% decrease in compliance related costs and compared to traditional systems. Perhaps more significant is the 86.3% reduction in data integrity incidents, which has dramatically decreased the risk of regulatory penalties and reputational damage. These improvements stem from blockchain's ability to create immutable audit trails and automate compliance verification through smart contracts. Blockchain technology is proving to be a game changer in reducing compliance costs and enhancing data integrity in the financial sector. Now, we will discuss how blockchain technology helps the pharmaceutical industry. Pharmaceutical companies face particularly stringent regulatory requirements with a 56% increase in data integrity requirements since 2020. FDA 21 CFR Part 11 mandates comprehensive electronic records management with strict controls for data authenticity, integrity, and non-repudiation. Blockchain solutions have helped pharmaceutical organizations decrease validation time by 45% while maintaining an impressive 99.99% accuracy in data verification. This improvement is critical in an industry where data integrity directly impacts patient safety and regulatory approval timelines. Blockchain technology is proving essential in maintaining high standards of data accuracy and compliance in the pharmaceutical sector. Now, let us discuss the benefits of the blockchain technology. Blockchain's features collectively enhance data security, reading the reducing the risk of breaches, automating complaints through smart contracts can streamline operations and reduce costs, leading to greater operational efficiency. Audit, audit preparation time. There has been an 4.5% reduction in the time required to prepare for regulatory audits due to instantly available verified records. Complaints costs. Organizations have seen a 76.2% decrease in overall complaints related expenses through automation and reduced need for manual verification. Error rates. There are 93.1% fewer data integrity errors detected during both internal and external audits compared to traditional systems. Beyond these immediate benefits, organizations report substantial operational efficiencies. The automation of complaints processes has freed valuable resources to focus on innovation rather than regulatory maintenance. The consistency of blockchain based complaint system also provides greater confidence in regulatory readiness at all times, not just during audit preparations. So, next topic, how implementation challenges in the blockchain technologies. Despite its benefits, there are a lot of challenges in the implementing the blockchain technology. Organizations must navigate the complexity of integration blockchain with existing system while maintaining business continually. Technical challenges around scalability and performance must be addressed, particularly in high transaction environments. Legacy systems integration. Hybrid solutions allow phased implementation with APIs connecting blockchain to existing infrastructure. Organizational readiness. Comprehensive training programs and change management strategies are essential to prepare teams for new workflows. Scalability concerns. Next generation consensus mechanisms and sidechain implementations can handle high transaction volumes. Regulatory uncertainty. Proactive engagement with regulators and compliance by design approach are crucial to address emerging requirements. Successful implementations have utilized phased approaches, beginning with specific high value use cases before expanding to enterprise wide deployment. Cross functional teams, including IT, compliance, and business stakeholders, have proven essential for addressing both technical and organizational challenges. Blockchain technology, while promising, requires careful planning and execution to overcome these challenges and achieve successful integration. Immutable audit trails. So, how blockchain technologies in blockchain technology, when you use the blockchain technology, how the audit trails, or how auditing will help the blockchain technology when you are implemented in your industry. One of blockchain's most valuable compliance feature is its ability to create immutable audit trails. Every data transaction is recorded with cryptographic proof of what changed, who changed it, and when the change occurred. This level of detail creates unprecedented transparency for auditors and regulators. Data creation. Test data is generated with a cryptographic signature and timestamp. Validation. A consensus mechanism verifies data integrity across the network. Secure storage. Data is stored in a tamper-proof blocks linked to cryptographically. Authorized access. Permissioned access is controlled through smart contracts. Audit verification. Complete history accessible to authorized auditors. So, unlike traditional database logs, which can be altered, blockchain's distributed consensus mechanism ensures that the audit trail itself cannot be tampered with. This capability directly addresses the core requirements of most regulatory frameworks, which demand verifiable record of all data handling. Future applications in test data management. AI integration means combining blockchain with artificial intelligence will enable predictive compliance and automated test data generation. This integration will help definitely potential issues before they become regulatory violations. Zero knowledge proofs. Advanced cryptographic techniques like zero knowledge proofs will allow verification of complaints without exposing sensitive data, enhancing privacy capabilities. Cross-border complaints. Blockchain will facilitate automated adherence to multiple regulatory frameworks across different jurisdictions. The integration of blockchain with emerging technologies promises to further transform test data management. AI-powered systems combined with blockchain's immutable records will enable predictive compliance identifying potential issues before they become regulatory violations. Advanced cryptographic techniques like zero knowledge proofs will allow organizations to verify complaints without exposing sensitive data, addressing the growing tensions between transparency requirements and privacy regulations. These innovations will be particularly valuable for organizations operating across multiple regulatory jurisdictions. Blockchain technology combined with AI and advanced cryptographic techniques is set to revolutionize test data management and compliance. Now let us discuss about the key takeaways and next steps. Assess current state. Begin by evaluating your organization's compliance pain points and identifying high-value use cases where blockchain can make a significant impact. Pilot implementation. Start with a controlled proof of concept in one regulatory area to test blockchain's effectiveness. Scale strategically. Expand the implementation based on measurable compliance improvements and success from the pilot phase. Blockchain technology offers transformative potential for test data integrity and compliance management across regulated industries. Organizations implementing blockchain solutions have demonstrated significant improvements in data security, audit efficiency, and compliance cost. To begin your blockchain journey, start by identifying specific compliance pain points where blockchain's capabilities align with your organization's needs. Develop a proof of concept with clearly defined success metrics and engage with both technical and compliance stakeholders early in the process. With a strategic phased approach, blockchain can revolutionize how your organization manages test data compliance. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to any questions you may have. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the Conf42 organizers for putting together such a fantastic event. A special thank you to our sponsors for their generous support and to all the attendees for being here and contributing to the success of this conference.